It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud.
Mouse Paint by Ellen Still Walsh. Once there were 3 white mice on a white piece of paper. Let's count them.
1, 2, 3.
The cat couldn't find them. Why couldn't the cat find them? They were white mice on a white paper. They were camouflaged. One day, while the cat was asleep, the mice saw 3 jars of paint. 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 blue. They thought it was mouse paint. They climbed right in. Oh my, look what happened to this little mouse. He's not quite yellow, but he's gonna be soon. His little white behind is sticking up in the air. And what color is this mouse?
Blue.
Yeah, good job, blue. The red mouse stepped into a yellow puddle and did a little dance. Dee, 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 dee. His red feet stirred the yellow puddle until... Look, he cried. Red feet in a yellow puddle make orange. Look, his little behind and feet are orange and his body is still red. The yellow mouse hopped into a blue puddle. Hoppity, 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 hop. His feet mixed and stirred and mixed until... Look down, said the red mouse and the blue mouse. Yellow feet in a blue puddle make green. Look at that puddle. What color is that puddle?
Green.
Yeah, and the yellow mouse's behind and feet are green. Then the blue mouse jumped into a red puddle. Dee, 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 dee. He splashed and mixed and danced until... Bloom, 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 bloom.
Blue.
Purple! They all shouted.
Blue.
Blue feet in a red puddle make purple. But the paint on their fur got sticky and stiff.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, that's what happens to paint when it starts to dry. So they washed themselves down to a nice, soft white. Where did they do that at? What is this?
Da.
What is this letter?
T.
In this letter?
Da.
In this letter?
T.
What does that say?
Cat.
Yeah, they're washing themselves in the cat's water dish. They're taking a bath. And now the mice are white. They were all covered in paint, and now they are not. And painted the paper instead. They painted 1 part red, 1 part yellow, and 1 part blue. They mixed red and yellow to paint an orange part, yellow and blue to paint a green part, and blue and red to paint a purple part. Oh, and they look tired now. But they left some white because of the cat. Wow, these little mice got a nice little lesson on mixing colors. They took the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and mixed the secondary colors, orange and green and purple. And they left the area that the cat was in alone and white. Yeah, the kitty cat. I'm Carmabela, Sunshine, and I hope you enjoyed this book as much as we did. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a family you think will enjoy it too.